Today's Hamster Kombat daily Cipher Morse code will be spelling NOTS, which is NOTES. To get started, we'll click on the Daily Cipher tab, which will activate our circles to red. I'll be starting with the alphabet N, which is a dash dot, O, which is a dash dash dash, D, which is a dash dot dot, E, which is a dot, and S, which is a dot dot dot. And that's all. Check the price. 5 million coins added. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and share to your friends who will find this content valuable. We post all daily combos and daily ciphers daily on this channel. Thank you.